From GLAKER is a hair beard trimmer. You get everything that you need to buzz your hair. It's dedicated plug for the main hair trimmer. It comes in black, the adjustable arm up and down, and there's the dedicated plug, and it has a hanging handle. On the small trimmer and beard, it is USB-C driven, clear coat, and a guard that comes off. Nice small handle, the on and off button, and the battery percentage that it comes, 92%. Charge your unit up for the first time and shuts off by a single press. With the supplied dedicated plug that plugs into the main trimmer to the USB-A, the unit has the on and off button, 100%, and goes on and off. It has a guard that you take off when ready to use. The small trimmer has the USB-C plug, charged for the first time to 100%. As we're charging the unit, you got a nice, clear, large, soft, white LED percentage. You're given 4 cutting guards, right air taper, left air taper, 3/16 number B and A. You're given length cuts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to use number 2. It simply goes over and snaps into place. And we adjust. You're given an instruction guide on how to use your unit. You're given some cleaning brushes, oil, and small brush pieces. You're given a number 1, a half, and 1.5 for your sideburns, your brush, and your oil. You're given an apron to go over to keep things clean. It's a nice size apron that covers, like so, that you could tie a nice little knot. Please remember to move the safety tab off the front. That's it. Did a nice job. Cut my hair beautifully. And I use about 14% power. You get everything you need to do your cutting. And when you want to trim your sideburns, just simply grab the tool and trim. And when all done, you have a brush so that you could take the clip off. Very simple indeed and clean. And if you ever need to oil, you have the oil container, pull the top off and just put some oil on it. And then just put everything back where it belongs into its proper location. When finishing up, put your safety cap back on, both units, for the next time ready to use. You have a nice mesh part here. You have your 4 pieces, your left and right angles, which we did not show, and your sideburns, which we did not show. Everything has a spot. Close up for the next time. From GLAKER, your hair trimming needs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for your trimming needs. Thank you for viewing.